Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig fighting over the remote control.
Let's start drawing.
I draw Peppa first. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth. She looks upset, and I add a circle to her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body. I draw a flower on her shirt and a star on her skirt. And her arms. Now I draw half a remote control in her hands. Oops, it's broken. And finally, her two legs. I draw her tail. Now I continue drawing George Pig. I draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head. I draw his mouth. He seems upset too, and a circle for his cheek. I draw his ears. Now I draw his body. I draw his arms. Oh, there's the other half of the remote control in his hands. Wow, they broke it in half. They probably couldn't decide what to watch on TV and started fighting over the control. It's not nice. I draw his legs. Now I draw his tail. I also draw some lines for the grass. Brilliant!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I color Peppa first. To start, I use this pink marker for her skin. Then her arms, her tail, and finally her legs. For her mouth, I use two different shades of red. Then I use light purple for her cheek. For her shirt, I use red. Orange and pink. I color her skirt purple. And I use yellow for the stars. Now we're going to color the remote control gray. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and red again. Now we're going to color Little George. For George Pig's skin, I use the same pink marker because he's a pink pig like his sister Peppa. For his mouth, I use two different shades of red. I also color his cheek light purple. Finally, I use this blue marker for his outfit. I color the floor light purple. And I add some yellow to the background.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.